Hello Valverde family, this is a quick tutorial on how to use the translator and simplify page tools in the Read and Write Google extension. First of all, to access your Read and Write extension, you'll want to be in Chrome, and on the top right hand corner you'll notice the RW icon. Once you click on that icon, the toolbar will pop up and you'll be able to use the tools. For example, let's say you're reading a piece of text on a Google Doc and you're unsure of a word, and so you would like to see what that word is in your primary language. You can double click on that word and then click on the translator icon, which is this one right here, and this screen will pop up. And right now I have my translator set up for Spanish. So for the word healthy, this gives me three options of using the word in Spanish depending on the context within the article here. Again, when you push the play buttons here, it'll read the words aloud. And so the students will be able to listen to the pronunciation. Another tool I want to share with you today is the Simplify Page tool. And so oftentimes when doing a web search and reading articles on a website, there's a lot of messy, busy pop-ups that you see here, a bunch of images and just things along the sides of the article that are very distracting to many students. And so what the Simplify Page icon or tool does is it will get rid of all of this information and images over here on the side and will just zero in on the article itself. So when you click on the Simplify Page tool, which is this icon right here, it will take everything out as I mentioned, and then it'll focus on the article. Another thing about the tool is that oftentimes articles have pretty rigorous vocabulary, and so depending on the level of the student, if it's a little too difficult, if you click the minus button on the Simplify tool, it will decrease the rigor of the vocabulary words, and so the article will get shorter and shorter. The more you click that little minus button there, it will get a little bit more to the point of the main article. And so I'm going to show you a couple of examples here. So I clicked it once and it got a little bit shorter. Clicked it again, it gets even shorter. And the vocabulary gets a little bit easier and easier every time you click it. Another thing that it does is you can choose to change the contrast of the article. So if you have a difficult time reading with the black text on the white page, you can change it to white text on a black page and it'll look just like this. It's a little bit easier on the eyes for some people. The other options are blue on yellow and yellow on blue. So here's the blue on yellow option, and here's the yellow on blue option. Hopefully this tutorial helped you with using the translator and seeing the options for simplifying the page. If you have any other read and write questions, there are more tutorials coming your way, so take a look at those. Have a wonderful day.